Hello everyone, myself Amit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technology with Amit.
In this video, we will learn the Flask page and the machine learning for linear regression model. So in this video, we show the Flask-based project. So go to the new terminal, and write Python app.py for launching web URL for going to the page app.py. They will give you the link of localhost. Follow this link and go to the page. So this is our page study of hour for predict the percentage. You will put 5 hours in the study, they will give you 55.5 point 0 percentage. And if you are studying in 9 hours, they will give another result 75 percentage. And if you study 2 hours, they will give you 40%. Okay, according to the data learning model will give you the prediction. So I will teach you all these for making this project. So
Go to the Excel for creating the data for predicting the data sets. So first we are creating the data, hour and percentage variable. So in the percentage variable and hour variable, we are putting some values. So hour we are putting 1 to 10 values, and according to the hour we are define the percentage like 1 for 35 percentage and 2 for the 40% and 3 for the 40%. Sorry, 45%. According to this, we are creating the data. So according to this data, we are training our model for predicting the value in the form of training data and test data. So first we are creating data in the form of values. So this process is done in few seconds. Okay, so then save this file in the comma delimited format. So with the help of this, we are reading this file with the help of pandas library. So this file is saved in the comma delimited format. So easily we are reading this file. So okay, this file is saved and we are open the IPYNV file and change this file name ML2. So first we are importing the libraries for meta testing. We are importing the heading for showing our. So first import NumPy library, Panda library, and Matplotlib for the video visualization. In this project, we are not using Matplotlib library. We are using just only NumPy and Pandas for analyzing and predicting the data. So reading the data, read dataset with the help of Pandas library. We are defining the variable and read the data with the help of function read underscore CSV, our file name, and with the help of this, we are reading this data. So with the help of df.head function, we are showing our five topmost values, and then we are describing our information of the data, what type of data, what type of variable. With the help of describe function, we are describing count value, maximum value, 25% value, and all these. So these are the data analysis part. With the help of these, we are finding the null values, duplicate values. You can see, so no null values in our data. So uh, with the help of data analysis, we are changing our data and analyzing our data easily. So store data in the x and y variable with the help of log function, x function. In the x, we are storing the hour variable for x variable, and the output variable is y. So in the y variable, we are storing the percentage. So with the help of input variable, we are predicting the value of output. So x is the value of hours, and y we are storing our percentage value. So same this, and we are changing is not equal to. So our data is stored in the y variable. Sorry, not equal to. Then our data of y is stored in the y variable. So this process is done, and then we are splitting our data in the form of training and test data. So we are defining heading for this. So split in training and test data. We are storing our data in the training, so 80%, and the testing is 20%. So our model is easily learn and predict the output. With the help of scikit-learn.model, this library train test split, we are split our data in the form of training and test. So write the code query for split the train and test data. You can see In the variable xtrain, bytrain, xstat, ytest, we are storing our data. In the xtrain, our data is stored, and the xtest, our data in different values are stored. So this is our method of storing, training and testing data in the variables. So you can see the data with the help of this variable. Just to write the variable xtrain, xtest, bytest, and bytrain. So see the data. So you can see the 20% testing data is stored in the xstat and ytest. So for the final we are applying the model in the machine learning. So for this, we are using linear regression model for predicting the value. This is the linear values counting value. So we are using the linear regression. If our data is categorized, we are using the logistic and classification algorithms. So this data we are using linear regression. So easily we are predicting the data. So we are applying model, linear regression model. In the model variable, we are storing our data. So this model we are using in the Flask. So save this model with the help of pickle libraries after applying model. So our model is trained linear with the help of linear regression. You can see by predict with the help of this, we are showing the data prediction. So our model is trained. You can see that test data is predict the output 75% and all. So this is our values, test values, and this is our output. So you can see. Thank you. Thank you so much. Follow our YouTube channel and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.